Gonna recoup a little bit of DOT fine money. Repurpose this material here, the stuff that I stockpile. Guy called me, needed a couple loads. He's got a dozer at his yard. I delivered there on the last couple of videos, but he needs a couple more loads. So yeah, just gonna truck it out. Got the truck warming up there, machine's warm. Make a little path, get on top, load her out. Little Sunday fun day. Guys, just had to clean I had a load of concrete in that last load there that we dropped off, and I use all this blacktop and that other concrete when we have to fill in swamps or fill in something to bridge across. People want thick, bony concrete stuff, you know what I mean? So I don't throw it out, and we do repurpose it for the most part. So this guy just wants clean dirt, so now we're into the clean pile. I'm gonna load him out, give him 2 loads. All right. Site here, rented a little Komatsu dozer. Check that out in a bit. You can drop them off. Come here, puppy. Get over here, little guy. You're a good boy, right? You're a good boy. All right, let's get her unloaded. Look at this little cute little guy. Huh? Nice little Komatsu. Good for the homeowner special. Tiny little guy. Gets the job done though. What's up guys? Just editing this video, and I noticed on this clip that you're gonna see right now, look at the motor mount or transmission mount. Something's broke. There's a lot of torque movement there, and I didn't notice that before. So we'll be checking that out in the morning. Alright guys, just back in the yard. He only needed 2 loads. Truck seemed to perform well. Let's check to see if we have any loose bolts or shiny material, as DOT would like to say. Everything still looks tight and good. So yeah, nice. All right, so you can see I got quite a bit of stockpile here, and Usually I put an ad on CL if you know, at the end of the season I'll have a big pile and somebody needs, you know, construction debris, we give them that. If someone needs just clean dirt to fill in a hole, yeah. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna have to paint that white rim, make it match. And like I said, I'm looking into ordering a new exhaust. The exhaust on this truck, I don't like how it goes down at the bottom here and around. I want to go straight through to the turbo in there, where you probably saw it on the video earlier. The turbo straight in, come right around, and then a 90, and then 90 up to that. The only issue is I got a full fuel cooler here, and these are fuel lines, and you know, hopefully the 5-inch could fit in here and not cause too much heat. I don't know, so I know some of them do that, but a lot of them do go under in this model truck. But I'm gonna call the manufacturer who makes the pipe and see what they say. All right, guys, Sunday, fun day. Made a little money on Sunday, nothing wrong with that. We'll catch you Monday, tomorrow, somewhere. Thanks.